How to install Bloxstrap Roblox Mod Menu. So first, just simply go to your browser and just search for Bloxstrap right here and click on the GitHub link. So pizzaboxer/Bloxstrap. So click on that. And now once you're there, just simply go to the right here and click on the latest release. So for for this video, the latest release is 2.7. So just simply click on it. It might be different for you if you're watching this on a later date. So once you're here, you simply need to scroll down and click on the exe file here on the bottom. It will download. Just wait for it and just simply click on save. Wait for it to download. Once that's done, just simply click on the exe file. And this will open up and just simply click on yes. It will bring you right here on this page and you will need to download the Windows Desktop Runtime 6. So just simply click on save. Now click on the file that was downloaded and click on install. Click on yes. Now wait for this to finish installing and downloading. Once that's done, this will pop up. So just click on close, go back, and now just open the Bloxstrap exe again. And as you can see, it is now opened, and you could simply pick a language that you want. So I'm good with system default. Click on OK. Now, as you can see, you could already customize a lot of stuff. You could enable activity tracking, show game activity, allow activity joining, and here on the mods, you could use all death sound if you want. You could also choose a font if you want. So let's say, click on choose font. I have my font right here. Click on open. And now, after you're done, you can just simply click on install. And after installation is finished, the Bloxstrap menu will be registered as an application. So as you can see right there. And just basically click on install after you've done reading all that. And as you can see, it says installing Roblox. Just wait for it to install and open up Roblox. Now, as you can see, it says that it is starting Roblox. And now my Roblox is open. And as you can see, the font has been changed to the one that I installed earlier. You can see right there. It won't change the font on the website, unfortunately, but of course, I always use the player, so that's okay to me. As you can see, the font has been changed to my liking. So there are tons of things that we can do with the Bloxstrap menu, and if you want to know the best settings, you could simply go to my other video, which I covered the best settings for Bloxstrap. You could even unlock your FPS to higher FPS and stuff. That's how you basically install Bloxstrap Mod Menu in Roblox.